What was your favorite space photo of 2020? There were dozens to choose from, with Comet NEOWISE's brief, bright and astounding appearance in summer surely one of the highlights. If that kept amateur astrophotographers busy, so did a couple of stunning solar eclipses and some close planetary conjunctions. However, astronomers using giant ground and space-based telescopes and spacecraft, including Chile's Very Large Telescope (VLT), the Hubble Space Telescope and the all-new Solar Orbiter, also helped make 2020 a landmark year for science images. There were some stunning close-ups of the Sun, the mysterious star Betelgeuse, star birth regions in space, and even images of distant exoplanets. Here's our pick of the best space photos of 2020 in no particular order, starting with that comet. A portent of doom or a huge slice of celestial luck? Dozens of comets enter the solar system each year, but rarely do they become visible to the naked eye. In July, the Comet NEOWISE, or C2020 F3, put on show its two tails first to the southern hemisphere then to the northern hemisphere. About 64 million miles at its closest, Comet NEOWISE is about 3 miles wide and was traveling at 144,000 miles per hour. It's due back in 6,800 years or so. Few humans ever get to see this. On Monday, December 21, 2020, Jupiter and Saturn appeared closer to each other than for nearly 400 years at just 0.1. Seen in the post-sunset night sky, it was the closest the planets have appeared to come to each other since a Great Conjunction, in 1623, but it was the easiest to see since 1226. The highest resolution image ever taken of the Sun from Earth was published in January 2020 by scientists at the new Daniel K. Inouye Solar Telescope in Hawaii, the world's most powerful solar telescope. It shows plasma cells rising from inside the star with dark borders showing where plasma is cooling and sinking. On Monday, December 14, 2020, a total eclipse of the Sun occurred for those under the narrow path of totality across South America as decisions were made in North America on an auspicious day, eclipse-wise. The usual hordes of eclipse-chasers addicted to the ethereal experience were forced to stay away. Second only to the Great Conjunction, for planet imagers in 2020 was the Venus-Pleiades conjunction of April 2020. During the event, the sparkling Pleiades, or Seven Sisters, open cluster of stars gained an extra star to temporarily become the Eight Sisters. On June 21, 2020, a maximum of 99.4% of the Sun was covered by the Moon for less than a minute as seen from parts of Africa, the Middle East and Asia. Amateur astronomers were out in force for this rare annular solar eclipse that was visible along a narrow path through the Republic of Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, Central African Republic, South Sudan, Ethiopia, Eritrea, Yemen, Oman, Pakistan, India, Tibet, China and Taiwan.